Hey there, and welcome back to the RenEnergy.com channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the world of hydrogen purchase agreements, or HPAs, and how they're revolutionizing the green hydrogen industry. As the world continues to shift towards clean energy solutions, green hydrogen has emerged as a promising alternative to fossil fuels. With its versatility and zero-emission potential, green hydrogen is poised to play a significant role in decarbonizing various sectors, including transportation, industry, and power generation. However, as with any emerging technology, green hydrogen projects face several challenges, particularly in terms of market and revenue risks. This is where hydrogen purchase agreements come into play. What is a hydrogen purchase agreement? A hydrogen purchase agreement, or HPA, is a long-term contract between a hydrogen producer and a buyer, also known as an offtaker. This agreement sets out the terms and conditions for the sale and purchase of hydrogen, including the price, volume, delivery, and duration. HPAs are similar to power purchase agreements, or PPAs, which are commonly used in the renewable energy industry. Just like PPAs, HPAs help to mitigate market and revenue risks for hydrogen projects by providing a stable and predictable source of income. By securing an HPA, hydrogen producers can ensure a steady stream of revenue, which is essential for the long-term viability and success of their projects. The concept of HPAs is not entirely new, as similar agreements have been used in the natural gas industry for decades. However, the application of HPAs to the green hydrogen industry is a relatively recent development, driven by the increasing demand for clean energy solutions and the need to de-risk investments in this emerging sector. Why are HPAs important for green hydrogen projects? Securing an HPA is crucial for green hydrogen project developers for several reasons. 1. Bankability. One of the most significant challenges faced by green hydrogen projects is securing financing. Banks and investors are often hesitant to fund projects that lack a clear path to revenue generation. 1. HPAs provide a guaranteed revenue stream, which makes the project more attractive to investors and lenders. By demonstrating a stable and predictable source of income, project developers can improve their chances of securing the necessary financing to get their projects off the ground. 2. Risk mitigation. The green hydrogen market is still in its early stages, and as with any emerging market, there are inherent risks and uncertainties. Price volatility, regulatory changes, and technological advancements can all impact the viability and profitability of green hydrogen projects. 2. By locking in a fixed price and volume for the hydrogen produced, HPAs help to mitigate these market and price risks. This provides stability and predictability for the project's cash flows, reducing the overall risk profile of the investment. 3. Long-term stability. Green hydrogen projects are typically capital-intensive and require significant upfront investments. To ensure the long-term success and profitability of these projects, developers need to secure long-term revenue streams. HPAs are typically long-term contracts, ranging from 10 to 20 years or more. This provides a stable foundation for the project and allows for long-term planning and optimization. By securing an HPA, project developers can have confidence in the future of their projects and make informed decisions about investments, expansions, and improvements. 4. Offtake security. Having a reliable and creditworthy offtaker is essential for the success of a green hydrogen project. Without a guaranteed buyer for the hydrogen produced, projects face significant market and revenue risks. HPAs help to secure this offtake by establishing a long-term commitment between the hydrogen producer and the buyer. 4. This provides a clear path to market for the hydrogen produced and reduces the risk of oversupply or lack of demand. How are HPAs structured? HPAs can be structured in different ways, depending on the specific needs and preferences of the parties involved. Some common elements of HPAs include: price. The price of the hydrogen can be fixed, indexed to market prices, or subject to escalation factors. Fixed prices provide certainty and stability for both the producer and the buyer, while indexed prices allow for flexibility and risk sharing. Escalation factors, such as inflation adjustments, help to ensure that the price of hydrogen remains competitive over the long term. Volume. The volume of hydrogen to be purchased can be fixed or variable, with minimum and maximum purchase obligations. Fixed volumes provide certainty for the producer and help to ensure a stable revenue stream. Variable volumes, on the other hand, allow for flexibility and can accommodate changes in demand or production capacity. Delivery. The point of delivery and transportation responsibilities are specified in the HPA. This includes details such as the location of the hydrogen production facility, the mode of transportation, for example, pipeline, truck, or ship, and the delivery schedule. Clear delivery terms help to ensure that the hydrogen is delivered in a timely and efficient manner and that both parties understand their roles and responsibilities. Duration. HPAs are typically long-term contracts, with durations ranging from 10 to 20 years or more. The length of the contract depends on various factors, including the size of the project, the investment required, and the off-taker's needs. Longer contract durations provide greater stability and certainty for the project, while shorter durations may be more appropriate for smaller or pilot-scale projects. Termination. HPAs may include provisions for early termination or default, with associated penalties or remedies. These provisions help to protect both parties in the event of unforeseen circumstances or breaches of contract. Early termination clauses may allow for the contract to be ended before its expiration date, while default clauses specify the consequences of non-performance or non-payment. In addition to these core elements, HPAs may also include other provisions, such as force majeure clauses, confidentiality agreements, and dispute resolution mechanisms. These provisions help to ensure that the agreement is comprehensive and that both parties are protected in the event of unforeseen circumstances or disagreements. The role of HPAs in the green hydrogen value chain. HPAs play a crucial role in the green hydrogen value chain, serving as a bridge between hydrogen producers and end users. By providing a stable and predictable source of demand for green hydrogen, HPAs help to stimulate investment and growth in the sector. At the upstream end of the value chain, HPAs provide a clear signal to hydrogen producers that there is a market for their product. This encourages investment in new production facilities and technologies, helping to drive down costs and improve efficiency over time. By securing long-term revenue streams, producers can also access more favorable financing terms, reducing the overall cost of capital for their projects. At the downstream end of the value chain, HPAs provide end users with a reliable and sustainable source of hydrogen. This is particularly important for industries that are looking to decarbonize their operations, such as steel production, chemical manufacturing, and heavy-duty transportation. By securing a long-term supply of green hydrogen, these industries can make informed decisions about investments in hydrogen-compatible equipment and infrastructure. HPAs also play a role in the development of hydrogen infrastructure, such as pipelines and storage facilities. By providing a stable source of demand for hydrogen, HPAs can help to justify the investment required to build out this infrastructure. This, in turn, can help to reduce the overall cost of hydrogen transportation and distribution, making it more accessible and affordable for end users. Conclusion. Hydrogen purchase agreements are a crucial tool for green hydrogen project developers to secure financing, mitigate risks, and ensure the long-term success of their projects. As the green hydrogen industry continues to grow and mature, we can expect to see more and more HPAs being signed, providing a stable foundation for the industry's future. HPAs provide a range of benefits for both hydrogen producers and buyers, including bankability, risk mitigation, long-term stability, and offtake security. By structuring HPAs in a way that meets the specific needs and preferences of both parties, project developers can create win-win situations that drive investment and growth in the green hydrogen sector. As the world continues to transition towards a low-carbon future, green hydrogen is poised to play a significant role in decarbonizing hard-to-abate sectors and supporting the integration of renewable energy into the grid. HPAs will be essential in enabling this transition, providing the long-term certainty and stability required to scale up the green hydrogen industry. If you're interested in learning more about HPAs or other aspects of green hydrogen project development and financing, be sure to check out our other videos and resources on the Renewable.com website. And if you're ready to take your green hydrogen knowledge to the next level, consider enrolling in our upcoming comprehensive green hydrogen project development and financing course. This 10-module program will cover everything from the fundamentals of green hydrogen technology to the intricacies of financial modeling and risk management, providing you with the tools and expertise needed to succeed in this exciting and rapidly growing industry. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in future videos as we continue to explore the world of green hydrogen together.